Hello and welcome to our comprehensive guide on the top things girls love in boys. Whether you're looking for love or just wanting to improve your relationship, this guide will provide you with valuable insights and tips to win over the heart of your special someone. When it comes to relationships, every girl has her own set of preferences and deal breakers. But there are some common things that most girls find attractive in boys. In this comprehensive guide, we'll take a closer look at the top things that girls love in boys. First on the list, romance. Most girls love to be swept off their feet and treated like a princess. This doesn't mean you need to spend a fortune on gifts or fancy dinners. Small gestures, like leaving a love note or surprise bouquet of flowers, can go a long way in making a girl feel special. Second on the list, chivalry. Girls appreciate it when boys show good manners, such as opening doors and offering to carry heavy bags. This shows that you are respectful and considerate, and it can be a big turn-on for many girls. Third on the list, a good sense of humor. Girls love boys who can make them laugh and take life a little less seriously. You don't need to be a stand-up comedian, but being able to crack a joke or make a witty comment can definitely make you more attractive. Fourth on the list, physical affection. Girls love to feel loved and cared for, and physical touch can be a great way to express that. This doesn't just mean sex, it can also mean holding hands, cuddling, or giving hugs. Physical touch can release oxytocin, which is known as the love hormone, and can make a girl feel closer to you. Fifth on the list, thoughtfulness. Girls appreciate it when boys take the time to plan something special or surprise them with a thoughtful gesture. This could be anything from cooking her favorite meal to planning a surprise weekend getaway. It shows that you are paying attention to her interests and needs, and that you care about making her happy. But wait, there's more. Other things that girls love in boys include honesty, confidence, intelligence, and kindness. Being honest and trustworthy is essential for building a strong relationship. Confidence can be attractive as long as it doesn't come across as arrogance. Intelligence is also a turn-on for many girls, as it shows that you have ambition and are capable of stimulating conversation. Finally, kindness is important for creating a loving and supportive relationship. Of course, every girl is different, and what one girl finds attractive may not be the same as another. But if you keep these top things in mind, you're sure to catch the eye of a special someone. Remember, the most important thing is to be yourself and treat your partner with love. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. Like, share and subscribe.